Some of London's ugliest buildings year after year. Unfortunately necessary, these buildings, pretty big extensions built on the top of them. A lot of these don't ever move. The ones with engines, your guess is a houseboat to the end here, this green one on the corner. This is one of my favorites. Under two of them. Ayers Tunnel is quite short, only 50 meters in length. We're also going to go under the Maida Hill Tunnel next. The Maida Hill Tunnel is considerably longer at 450 meters. So without a in the 1830s, two men dying. One was crushed to death by a bomb. Some of the most expensive in London. Style Council, or I'm sorry, Ronnie Wood from the Rolling Stones. Paul Weller from the Jam and Style Council. Named Bob Dylan in the late 90s, and Kelowna, in Bob Dylan's music video for the song Blood in My Eyes, they filmed at Camden Town in 1998. So this bridge, this blue bridge coming up ahead is Regent's Canal Bridge number 1. Regent's Canal begins. This house here to the painter and impressionist. Now if we continued our journey on, if we continued on down to the left here, you come. So we're going to round around Browning's Island, and we're going to pull into our mooring spot here. Thanks a lot for joining us today. Appreciate your time.
Böyle bir konuşayım.